If you want to know how to fix TikTok not saving video problem, you've came to the right place. So let's open our TikTok app and then I'll show you all the steps of how can we save videos if we don't have this option. Basically, in order to save someone's video, we just simply need to click on share on this arrow in the right side. And as you can see now in the bottom line, we have the third icon, which is called save video. And if you'll click on it, we'll save this video successfully. Sometimes you don't have this feature, maybe the author of this video turned off this function, so you won't be able to download videos from this author. Basically, if you want to save our video, we can also open our profile right up here. And then just click on our video, and if you click on more on these three dots in the right side, we also have the option like in the bottom line, the second icon, which is also like a save video feature. But what if we want to save our video while we are like uploading or doing some other stuff? Basically, we can just simply click on plus, and if you click, we can easily shoot some video, for example, like this. Let's be next. And if we are going to like find some settings here, if you scroll to the down, we can find the pre-last line, which is called save to device. And as you can see, this function is turned on. It means that if I'm going to post this video will be automatically saved to my phone. Basically, if you don't have some of these features, we can easily fix it. So how can we do? Firstly, I want to delete all this stuff here. And I'm going to click on my profile. So how can we fix this problem if you don't have this option somewhere? We need to click on more in the right top corner right up here. Then just click on settings and privacy. And from this page here, we need to scroll down to find report a problem option. And after that, we need to scroll down to find the necessary topic. As for me, we can click on videos and sounds. After that, we need to click on like video shooting or editing videos, basically something like this. In my case, I'm going to click on saving videos in the pre-last line here. And here we need to click on unable to save videos. So here we can find some advices from TikTok. It means that we can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear app video cache, restart the app and your device. Make sure you're running the latest version of TikTok. So make sure that you follow these steps, and if it didn't help, we can simply click on no, and then just go to need more help. So click on it right up here, and then just explain our problem. So we can write something like this: I can't save videos. Help me, please. And then just click on submit. And in a few minutes, the TikTok support team will receive our message, and probably they will help us to fix it. So they will fix it from themselves, so we don't even have to do something, or they will send us some instructions of what do we need to do. So basically, this is all the ways of how can we solve the problem of TikTok not saving videos. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.